So hello everyone. So this is the first time I'm going to talk to you. So I'm here because this is the first time I made an web app, and this web app basically called VoiceDoc. So what it do is basically if you give him any kinds of document, like text-based document, so he will read out. Like as we are student and we face difficulties in sometimes like we can't study that much, so in that time we have to study, but for some reasons we can't. So if we give them any kinds of slides document, he will read out. So it works like that, and you can wear a headphone and or like airpods, and you can hear what is in the slides. So it will help you basically if you are in bus or some kinds of vehicles. It will help you. So let's see what is basically it is. Okay, so this is basically the app. It's called VoiceDoc, and there is some key and I have to put it because I haven't published it yet. I will soon. So in this here, so you can put any kind of file, and after that you can put text also. So if you like if someone gives you a lengthy text, you can just copy and paste it, and then you should click on extract and read. If you click extract and read, there will be some kinds of loading, and while there will show done, it is done, and then you have to go a little bit lower, and you will find out here a play button. And if you click the play button, it will start uh, voice over. So and there are lots of options in case of like there are multiple language and voice, and also there are some language like all kinds of language of this world there is. Okay, so now let me show you a practically. Okay, so now if I put, and I'm going to like normal, so I'm going to like I chosen like the pointer one. It's a application of mine, so I'm going to put this in this file document. So if we go one, we click on, and then let's find out pointer. Where is pointer one? Yes, it is. Okay, so then I have to print extract and read. Let's see what happened. It's like sending to Gemini, and it's basically, I forgot to tell you about, sorry, it's basically made with Claude, and here is uses Gemini API key because it's free, and I am student. I will not pay for this right now, so that's why I use Gemini API key for free, and Claude helped me in full this case, and it's basically a AI based web app. So it's like that. See, uh, the document I have put, yes, that's like if you can introduce to pointer, like see the first page, and then concept the variable. Okay, so the document I have put here. So from this document, this he take all the text like CC101 to his introduction to pointer as the first page. Yes, secondly concept and variable of address. The concept variable, like he put all, he captured all the text. Now he will just read out like is it. Now we have play button. So if we click play, it will start.
CSE 1201 Introduction to Pointers. Concept of variable, value and address. Int I equals 3, this declaration tells the C compiler to A. Reserve space in memory to hold the integer value. B. Associate the name I with this memory location. C. Store the value 3 at this location. Concept of variable, value and address. The important point is, I's address in memory is a number. Concept of variable, value and address. Concept of variable, value and address. The other pointer operator available in C is asterisk called value at address operator. It gives the value stored at a particular address. The value at address operator is also called indirection operator. Concept of variable, value and address. Concept of pointer. The expression and I gives the address of the variable I. This address can be collected in a variable j equals and I. But remember that j is not an ordinary variable like any other integer variable. It is a variable that contains the address of other variable. Concept of pointer. As you can see, i's value is 3 and j's value is i's address.
So we can see that it read out, and like if we click pause, it will pause, and if we click stop, it will stop.
Concept of pointer.
Like, yeah.
But wait, we can't use j in a program without declaring it. Since j is a variable that contains the address of I, it is declared as int asterisk j. This declaration tells the compiler that j will be used to store the address of an integer value. In other words, j points to an integer. Concept of pointer. Int asterisk j would mean, the value at the address contained in j is an int. Concept of pointer. Concept of pointer.
See,
Look at the following declarations.
if I pause, he read out declaration, and now he read out from name.
1 int asterisk alpha. 2 char asterisk ch. 3 float asterisk s.
So like that, it will read out, and I think it's pretty good for me because basically not student like everyone. If you are reading any kind of paper or like newspaper and any kinds of document, you are lazy and you are working on something else, you can get help from it, and it will help you. You can listen, you can just put it at the side, and you can do your other jobs, and you will read out, and you can like hear what it's saying. So that's why I think it's a very good, and I will now it's by the basically this now is by a Claude. So very soon I will convert it to manually, and I will do best, and in future I will like make it more appropriate. Like it will be one day I will put some what can I say, like uh, more AI on it, because you can see that there are some kinds of maths in midterms, and if you and if he is reading it, and in sometimes there is math, and if people wants to get the explanation of math, he will explain. So day by day I will it update, I will update it. So thank you for listening inspiration. See you soon.